Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to reduce welding defects using the right gas and electrodes. If you want cleaner, stronger welds, then you definitely don't want to miss this. Welding defects can weaken joints, reduce durability, and lead to costly repairs. The good news is that many of these issues can be prevented by choosing the right shielding gas and electrodes. First, understand the role of shielding gas. Gases like argon, carbon dioxide, or their mixtures protect the weld pool from contamination. For cleaner welds with less spatter, argon-based gases are ideal. Carbon dioxide, while more affordable, may cause more spatter but provides deeper penetration. Selecting the correct gas depends on your material type and welding process. Next, electrodes matter just as much. Using the wrong electrode can lead to cracks, porosity, or weak welds. Always match your electrode type to the base metal. For example, low hydrogen electrodes help reduce cracking, especially in structural steelwork. Also, ensure electrodes are stored properly to avoid moisture absorption, which can cause defects. Another key factor is compatibility. The gas and electrode must work together. Even with the best equipment, poor combinations can result in inconsistent weld quality. Always follow manufacturer recommendations for best results. Finally, don't ignore technique. Proper settings, clean surfaces, and steady hand control are essential to minimize defects. By selecting the right gas and electrodes and applying proper techniques, you can significantly improve weld quality, reduce rework, and achieve stronger, more reliable results in 2026 and beyond. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.